If your LG refrigerator is dispensing water slowly, not dispensing water, or having difficulties producing ice, it may be due to low water pressure or slow water flow. To check the water pressure in your home, check the ice dispenser first and see if it is producing the correct amount of ice per tray. A half-filled ice tray may indicate low water pressure, as well as hollow or soft shell ice. You can also use any 7-ounce cup and place it under the water spout. Using a stopwatch, synchronize the time it takes to fill up the cup. 3.5 to 8 seconds is normal range for water pressure. Anything over 8 seconds may indicate possible low water pressure. Here are a few troubleshooting steps. LG recommends that you change your water filter once every 3 to 6 months, depending on the quality of your city's water, household consumption, and refrigerator gallon capacity. This may need to be done more frequently to prevent foreign particles from clogging your water filter. Not changing the water filter as recommended may cause water flow to become slow. If your unit is equipped with a water filter, it also comes with a bypass cartridge or plug. Refer to your owner's manual first. You have the option of using the bypass cartridge in place of the water filter. Once installed, run another time test to check for a noticeable speed flow difference. This may take a few attempts to allow for air to be removed from the lines as you dispense water. If the water pressure has increased, then it's an indicator that a new water filter is needed, which you can purchase online or at your local home improvement store. Make sure that there are no kinks or bends in the water lines connected to the back of the refrigerator. Check to make sure that the valves for the water lines connected to your refrigerator and the main water lines to your home are fully open. In some instances, homes may have self-piercing saddle valve kits clamped on the water line. Just close the saddle valve and reopen it to help clear any clogging. Run another water dispenser time test. If the steps mentioned doesn't help improve the problem, a plumber may be needed. The following may cause a decrease in water flow. A home water filtration system or a reverse osmosis system may affect the flow of your water. Depending on the filtration system, there may be a reduction in overall water flow. Check your filtration system's owner's manual for more details. When using any LG appliance, it is always recommended to use LG genuine parts for optimum performance and function of your unit. And to learn more about your appliance or any LG product, be sure to visit our YouTube channel or our LG website. And we'll see you next time.